What most characterizes Cromer's compositions compared to other skate media is his ambient sound work, not his visual material. It's tempting even to claim that his channel is more about sound than anything else. Take, for example, Water, uploaded Valentine's Day 2025. In its first 30 seconds, Cromer interlaces ambient skate sounds with traffic, then swaying trees, then with wheels across tile. Images transition in chops and hacks, but sounds merge and inform one another, resulting in the audience's ASMR-like lull into a therapeutic or soothing mood, as his comments often mention. "It's the sound layering that does it for me," writes one commenter.
One eternity later.
The percussiveness of a well-popped trick, the skirt of a power slide, the flick of a lighter, and the fray of Palo Santo.